Hi, I'm Khoo.
The Last Samurai happened in 1876 to 1877 in Japan Meiji period. The story is about Captain Nathan Algren, an ex-US soldier, has been hired by Mr. Omura to train Japanese soldiers to fight against samurai rebels, which is led by Katsumoto. After a battle against the rebels, Algren was captured by Katsumoto as their hostage. The government in the movie is under the period known as Meiji Revolution. The goal of the Meiji Revolution is to combine Western advancement and the traditional Eastern value. In the beginning of the movie, the Meiji Kemono was controlled by the court nobility due to his weak and naive. And in the end of the movie, the sacrifice of Katsumoto helps to reveal the will of Meiji Kemono and reach the goal. Emperor was the highest level in their country, and the merchant is the lowest society status in their country, and the samurai is in the middle. Katsumoto is the former teacher of the Meiji Kemono, and he is also the head of the samurai rebels. Captain Nathan Algren killed Hirotaro, but he stayed in Taka's house, which Taka is the wife of Hirotaro after he is being captured by Katsumoto. Shinto is the only religion in the movie. Shinto also named as Kami no Michi. Kami means God and Michi means path. Shinto shrine is a place to house God, and Tori is the entrance of Shinto shrine. Tori used as the entrance of Shinto and is the simplest way to define the types of the Shinto. Tori is usually painted in vermilion and black. There are 9 types of Tori, and the type of Tori in the movie is Mirojin Tori.
Hi, I'm talking about the culture of this movie. So the Japanese normally they wear kimono, which is an outfit that consists of the outer layer and the inner layer. And they will wear a fondoshi, which is a loincloth underneath the kimono. And since the Edo period, the samurai they practice the kamishimo style attire, which contains the upper piece and also the lower piece, which is called katagino and also akana. The samurai wears mainly a kabuto, which is a helmet, and do, which is a torso armor, and also some other parts. So the samurai they wear a facial armor called mempo, and there are normally 4 types of mempo, which is called the somen, the mempo, hanpo, and hapuri. So the mempo consists of the samurai uses katana as their weapon, which is a blade, and it's done by cords from the obi, which is the belt of the kimono, and usually they carry a wakizashi, which is a short sword, worn through the obi, and the swords are always worn on the left side of the samurai for ease of sword drawing. The seppuku is a ritual performed by samurais normally, which is a suicide ritual that involves cutting the belly, and they will cut from here to here and also turning back and coming up. So normally seppuku was used voluntarily by samurai to die with honor rather than shame. Samurai tie their hands in top knots, which normally fall under few styles, which is the chasagami, the mitsuori, and also the futatsuyori. Samurai usually bows in 3 main types, which is the informal bow, the formal bow, and also the very formal bow. And the chato is a Japanese tea ceremony that involves the preparation and presentation of matcha powder green tea along with the traditional Japanese dish called wagashi.
Hello, welcome to Art and Culture part, Architecture. So this is the writing system of Japan. It doesn't initially impact by the significant reform in the 19th century Edo period, and they use hiragana and kanji for their writing, but they started using katakana also because of the exposure to Western style text and non-Japanese text, Western culture and stuff. And their writing system is written in a combination of 3 scripts, which are hiragana, katakana, and kanji. And hiragana is a more cursive phonetic syllable, while katakana is a more edgy one, but this one is for foreign words, and this kanji is actually Chinese character. And there are 2 types of painting in last time, the Edo period. One is yoga painting, one is yoga. Yoga painting is actually Western style painting painted by Japanese artists. and Nihonga is actually traditional painting. And the architectural part in the Meiji period, this period Japan started to incorporate Western style architecture into their own Japanese architectural design because of the change of new emperor, Emperor Meiji. And in this period, Western architecture incorporated into Japanese architecture. But although Japanese prefer traditional materials such as woods and bamboos, but this period the buildings are built in bricks and steels, concrete and glass because of the Western style. Thank you.
Now I'll talk about the invention and technology. Now there are several types of weapons used by the Japanese, which includes wakizashi, katana, and so on. And then we have this katana forging, which is where they build the katana. And that is how the katana actually looks like. And then we have the modern katana, which is known as the gendaito. This is the bokken, which is a Japanese wooden sword used to train. And there are several inventions from the Western world that the Japanese actually use, which includes these guns, pistols, and gasoline guns, and so on. So here we have the gasoline gun, which is originated from the US. And then we have this patent 1853 Enfield, which is also originated from the US. And then lastly, we have the traditional weaving, which is known as orimono in Japan. And it is actually used to produce fabric. And they normally produce kimono and yukata, which will have the rope and obi, which is known as the belt. So that's the end of the presentation. Bye!
Now, let's get on with the demonstration of the fighting style of samurai sword fight and seppuku. Blah blah blah.